back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and welcome to our 12 days of holiday cookies. We are on day 6, and we're going to take a different turn, and we're going to go with a lemon curd cookie. So it's like a thumbprint cookie. It's filled with lemon curd. So we're going to go sweet, but my cookie has some ginger and some cinnamon in it. So we're going to invoke those holiday spices as well as bring that lemon into it. So thank you again so much for being here. I love having you here. This has been quite the baking experience. I will tell you that I have learned a lot along the way already. With some of the cookies, I now know what I've messed up on and what I need to change, and I let you know in each one of those videos so you can adjust as well. But I think that, you know, the recipes are good. It's just maybe my technique is a little lacking, but we're getting there. Let's get to baking. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button, and let's get cooking. These start out super easy. We're going to start with our flour, a bunch of cinnamon, and some ground ginger. So this is where those lovely spices come in. I really enjoy this. If you want your cookies to be a little bit blonder, then go ahead and use a little less cinnamon. All of the recipe and ingredients are down below. Now we're going to mix together some softened butter, some sugar, and an egg, and we're going to get that mixed together. You're going to want to mix this really, really well, and it's super fluffy. These come together so quick. This is a cookie you could, I guess I could call this an after-school cookie. These come together so fast that you could serve them to your kids while they're doing their homework. We're going to add our flour, our spicy flour, to this, and we're going to blend it again until it makes this really nice, crumbly, soft dough. You can see how well this comes together. On a baking sheet with parchment paper, we're going to roll these into balls. So about a tablespoon worth of dough, roll it in these perfect balls, and now we're going to make the thumbprint. I like to take the back side of a teaspoon and just press it in, and you can see how you can press these down. You can even tighten up the edges if you need to, if you want them to look absolutely perfect. You can use your thumb just as easy, and see how easy these are. We are going to put them in a oven at 350 for 11 minutes. I actually did mine for 10. As soon as they come out, right when they come out, while they're hot, you're going to put your lemon curd on top of these. You're just going to let it sit. It's going to bake and settle inside of there. Sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar as well to give it that wonderful holiday cheer. And again, they settle right in and make the most beautiful, tasty cookie. Okay, those were super fun, and they're super easy. There's not a ton of ingredients. They're really super pretty, and when they're dusted with that powdered sugar, they kind of have that magical winter glow to them, which is really nice. Now, I'm going to tell you, I've been kind of picking my top 3 along the way, and my top 1 was the anise cookies. My number 2 have been the German gingerbread cookies, and then I'm thinking this is coming in at number 3. This is a very good cookie. These are buttery, they're soft. I really like the texture of these. They almost kind of chew a little bit, and the lemon curd is really good. I love lemon curd. So you can make your own lemon curd, or you can do store-bought, and I did buy mine from Trader Joe's. So if you're looking for lemon curd, their lemon curd is really good. So anyhow, thank you so much for being here and baking again. We are feverishly cooking, and I will see you again tomorrow with another cookie.